Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cultural programs with AFS Intercultural Programs, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. First, familiarize yourself with AFS Intercultural Programs and its mission. Research the cultural programs offered by AFS to understand their goals and framework. Identify the target audience for your cultural program, such as schools, community organizations, or local businesses. Gather a team of committed volunteers or staff members who share your interest in intercultural exchange. Set clear objectives for your cultural program based on the needs of your target audience. Develop a program outline that includes activities, timelines, and resource requirements. Choose a location that is accessible and conducive to cultural exchange activities. Create or adapt promotional materials that effectively communicate the purpose and benefits of your program. Establish partnerships with local organizations to enhance the reach and credibility of your program. Schedule informational meetings to engage potential participants and gather feedback. Promote your cultural program through social media, community boards, and local events. Prepare all necessary materials and resources required for the program activities. Conduct a training session for your team to ensure everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. Launch the cultural program on the scheduled date, welcoming participants and setting a positive tone. Facilitate discussions and activities that encourage intercultural dialogue and understanding. Collect feedback from participants throughout the program to assess its effectiveness. Evaluate the program upon completion, analyzing what worked well and areas for improvement. Share your findings with your team and consider adjustments for future programs. Document your experience to help guide others interested in deploying similar cultural initiatives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.